It's always exciting when a blue Model Y comes into the shop for customizations because you know what? All the time we see midnight silver metallic, black, and of course pearl white. But the blue is very special, and let me share with you some of the cool things that we did to this one, making it extra unique, something that we've never done before. So let's just get right into the wheels, right? These are our TY115 wheels, my favorite wheel for the Model Y. It is a one-piece forged wheel, making it stronger and lighter than the 21-inch wheels that come from Tesla. And these are really special because they are finished in champagne rosé. Take a look at this finish. It's got that sparkle to it, kind of looks like a glass of rosé champagne. And you know what? It's very special. I think it looks really cool with the blue color of the Model Y, an extreme contrast that actually works. And the red calipers, well, I don't know, I'm a little iffy on that. I'm trying to convince the owner to go ahead and paint the calipers blue. I think that would be a better look. And I would love to hear from you guys what you think. Should we keep the calipers red or should they be blue? But another nice touch and attention to detail, this customer decided to go with our torch titanium lug nuts. All of our wheels except the original Tesla lug nuts, we're very proud of that. But having titanium lug nuts is extra special. They're stronger, and if you go for the torch design, as you can see here, that picks up different colors, purples and yellows and gold, I guess that's a really nice look as well. So now you're probably thinking, wow, the whole side of this car looks a little bit more different than obviously any other Y. And it's not only because of the wheels, right? It's because this customer also chose to purchase our lowering springs. And if you have a performance Model Y and install our lowering springs, it will actually lower the ride height by 3/4 of an inch, front and rear. It's a pretty straightforward install. The Tesla springs come out, our springs go in. And besides giving you a much better curb appeal and a much better look, trust me when I say this, it will improve your ride quality by more than 50%. I have test driven this plenty of times, and while we love our Model Ys, Tesla did not really use the best quality of springs for ride quality and comfort. So our springs not only make the car look a little bit better, but in my opinion, more importantly, ride so much better. To finish it all off, since this was a performance Model Y and the customer already had the factory satin carbon fiber wing, he wanted to bring some of that look up front, so he purchased our satin carbon fiber side mirror caps. These just easily clip right on with double-sided tape. Do it yourself. It's a really cool look. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, Tesla fans. I'd love to hear some comments below. This is a unique one, right? What do you guys think? What do you think about the overall color combination of the car and the wheels? Let's hear those comments about painting the brake calipers. If all of you agree, I'm going to show this to the owner and convince him that he needs blue brake calipers. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.